taught you how to split extension hair. I'm going to teach you how to split extension hair for 2 braids. I've already used this hair. It used to be braids at this point. I'm not going to put in all of this. The way I separate hair is by splitting it in half like a million times. So I'm not gonna use this. Here we got the other half. I split it in half once again. That feels good. So each side is going to be this much. This is going to be for the other side. I'm going to separate it again by, yet again, splitting it in half. Split it into 4. These ones, I will leave a little bit thicker, but around the top, they need to be a little bit thinner. So at the top, I'm going to separate 2 of them into half again. So on this side, I actually have 6 sections. Here's the trick of this though. I just like to go down a little bit. The edges are so fragile. I'll just let them be like a little bit thin right around the top. We're getting to the point where the hair is starting to come in. I'm gonna pick the thinnest one of them all, even though they're like generally around the same size. And I'm gonna put that bad boy in. And so the way I like my 2 braids, I like them to come as close to my ear as possible. So I'm gonna put in another one now. The further down I get, the more hair I can put in. So every time I pull it up, I just make sure that I'm bringing it downwards as opposed to backwards. As of right now, I have 3 of the small sections I put in. So this is the 4th one. I'm going in with one of the thick ones now. Just putting in this last piece here. It's kind of a nice thickness of braid. I like it. I don't want it to be too much. So for anyone that's gonna ask, this is color 51 and it's truly the most generic braiding hair. If you find the color and the length is the longest it could probably be, just get it. It doesn't even have to be long. I personally am not looking for perfection when I'm braiding. I just think that sometimes knowing how much hair to actually put into the braid is a little bit tricky. Here we are. It's almost a little too fresh to go work out. Hopefully this lasts me like a couple of days. Hope this helped.